Okay, this is how you download a font on your computers if you want to be accessing those fonts. You go to dafont.com. You can choose any of these options up here. Let's say I like Dead Revolution. I click download. It's going to download right down here. Then you open the file, and then you're going to look for one or two file types, .otf or .ttf. You're going to double click that file, and then you're going to hit install. It's going to open up your font book. Then it's going to save it there. Remember what it's called, Dead Revolution. Then I can close out these windows. I can go into my Illustrator and I can type anything I want. I'll just type Brennan so you guys can see it. And then I'll come up here to my fonts and I'll type Dead. And there it is. And then I have that font and I have access to that right there. Let me know if you have any questions at all.